Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually multiply your BNB. Now, this is a platform that will actually helps you to multiply your BNB. The name of the platform is called MORE BNB. Just like the name implies, more BNB, you'll be earning more BNB. Okay. Now, this project will be launching on the 14th of September 2022. As you can see on my screen here, in 19 hours from the time of recording this video, this project will be launching. Okay. So, you see, multiply your BNB with more BNB. More BNB is a staking platform that allows users to multiply their BNB through 4 different income sources inspired by Rex, Avarice, and T2X. Yeah, this project is actually built using the model of Rex, Avarice, and 2X, right? But I want to believe that they actually perfected a whole lot of things, optimized a whole lot of things about this project. So basically, you're going to be earning from 4 different aspects on this particular project. Okay, they have like 4 different avenues for you to earn. As you can see here, you can earn through staking. Okay, through staking your more token. You can earn through leader bonus. You can earn top sponsor pool and biggest buyer bonus. Okay. What this actually means is that you can actually stake your more token. Okay, as in you use your BNB to get more token, then you stake your more token to earn more. Okay, to earn this more token, and you can also convert your more token to BNB. Okay, after you must have staked and earned some interest. Okay, now this leader bonus, you're going to be getting this bonus. You're going to top sponsor. If you happen to be the top sponsor of the day, you always get a reward for that. And the biggest buyer bonus, you know, so you can see all those things are well explained. They are self-explanatory, so you can actually understand what it actually means. Okay. One thing I like about any project that I want to go into, I would like to know much about the project by going to their white paper and also checking their audit. Okay, so for now, what I want to do is this: we're going to click on this white paper. Okay, let's see where it takes us. Now, if you click on that white paper, it's going to bring you here. Now, this is the white paper. This is what you're going to be reading for you to understand every details that you need about this particular project. Okay, please listen. You need to read this white paper and read the audit. I'm going to be going to the auditing. We're going to be looking at the auditing together also. But remember, you are putting in your added money into this project. So it shouldn't cost you anything to actually read and know more about the project you are putting your money into. Okay. Everything you need to know, you can see the auditing. It says the auditing, more auditing, more. Let's read about okay. More BNB has been audited and certified by several recognized and independent security companies. So I'm going to be going to the auditing and read more about the auditing also. Here it talks about what is more a BNB. Okay, you can come here and read about. Okay, let's just say more BNB is an incredibly lucrative staking DApp inspired by the success of Rex. Like I said earlier, more BNB is designed to bring maximum return to its users. With the staking of more token, user can earn BNB with ease. Okay, to do this, they exchange BNB for more token in the lobby and receive dividend in BNB for staking these tokens. Okay, so what this basically means is that you exchange when you connect to MetaMask. As soon as you log in into you come into this website, like I'm going to be dropping the link to this project right below this video. Okay, so the first link you're going to be seeing at the description of this video, you click on that link, the link is going to bring you here. So you come up here and you're going to click. Okay, you can see I'm logged in already. So you're going to click here and it's going to take you to your MetaMask. You're going to connect your MetaMask to this project. Okay, so when you connect your MetaMask to this project, then it will bring you to the dashboard here. Okay, now when you are here, all you just need to do is to actually connect. You're going to convert your BNB to more BNB, right? To more token. Now, when you connect your BNB and when you convert your BNB to more token, the next thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to go to staking up here. Okay, you're going to go to staking here. Then when you come to staking here, you're going to stake your token here, your MORE token. You're going to stake it here. You're going to choose the duration of time that you want to stake it, and you're going to click on stake. Now, when you do this, automatically you begin to earn BNB in return, okay? As the token appreciates, you actually earn more on this particular project. So it's a very good project from the outlook of things, but notwithstanding, we're still going to look at some other parameters to know if it is worth our penny or not, okay? So what we're going to be doing is this. Let's go to the auditing, and let's see what the auditors have to say about this particular project, because for me, I'm going to be going into this project and I want to know what the auditors are saying about the project, okay, before I'm going to put in my money into the project, okay? Okay, so this is the auditing page. This is the auditing page. The project is actually audited by SOLIDPROOF, okay? This is the auditing firm that audited the project, okay? So you can see, let's scroll down and read. Project overview, MORE BNB, price chart and all that. Okay, so it says no critical issue found. They actually give them pass mark. Contract owner cannot limit, give them pass mark. Contract cannot be locked, give them pass mark. Token cannot be burned, give them pass mark. Okay, so these are things that you should come here and read by yourself. Now, this is the contract address of the project, which can be seen on BSC scan. Okay, if you click on it, it can take you to BSC scan. So far from the auditing, I don't think this contract doesn't import NPM package from source. Like, okay, so the auditing firm so far are giving pass mark to this project. But this is not a financial advice, so you should always do your own financial research, okay? Do your own research about the project before you put in your added money. But from what the auditors are saying so far, they are kind of giving the project a pass mark, okay? Coupled with the white paper, like I rightly say, you should read the white paper, okay, to give you more understanding of the project, okay? This is the white paper. Always make sure you read the white paper, okay? So that is how you actually earn from this particular project, okay? You stake your BNB and you convert your BNB to MORE BNB, and you begin to earn in BNB, okay? So it's a very straight, open and forward project. I'm going to be making more videos about this project as it progresses. After it launches on the 14th, I'm going to be making series of videos to enlighten you guys how the project actually goes, okay? You can see, if you don't understand anything about the project, you just come down to the FAQ here, and you can always check here, okay? You can see, how can I earn BNB with MORE BNB? With MORE BNB, you can earn money through 4 different income sources. A, through the high profitable staking MORE token, through attractive bonuses from the leader pool, through the daily top sponsor pool, through the biggest buyer pool, okay? All this I've explained to you guys earlier, okay? So these are the avenues that you can actually earn money from this. And you can also earn money through referral on this particular project, okay? You just come up here, you click on team, okay? When you click on team, it's going to take you to here, okay? Because this is your referral link. You're going to copy your referral link. After you must have connected your wallet, you're going to copy your referral ID, okay? You copy your referral ID, then you share with your friends, your relatives, your business associates, and as soon as they join and they actually begin to stake their MORE BNB here, then definitely you're going to be making additional income from your referrals, okay? For now, I'm going to be leaving this video here. Like I rightly said, I'll be making more follow-up videos concerning this project. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description, so go ahead and click the link in the description so that you'll be able to join this program, okay? I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value from the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel to take care of yourself. Bye-bye.